Good evening folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. Now for those of you who watched my previous video, I showed you my most recent purchase, which was a rather large step ladder. And the reason for buying this was because I have some projects coming up and I need to access stuff which is quite high from the ground. So I ended up purchasing this ladder from Gumtree. Cost me 40 quid. It's got 12 steps and it's about 3 meters high, so it should do the trick. But here's the thing, when you look at the bottom of the ladder, it's not very wide, is it? And because it's quite narrow, I'm a little bit concerned about how stable it's going to be once I start going up the steps and get a bit nearer to the top. Now clearly I know that you can buy stabilisers, but to be fair, they're not cheap, are they? So I was therefore thinking of trying to fabricate something just to stabilise it a bit better. Now I do have some strong construction timber knocking around, and I was considering using some of this to fabricate some stabilisers and try and make the thing a little bit safer. Now what I'd normally do is basically go ahead, make whatever it was that I was going to make, and then upload a video showing you what I'd done. And then typically I'd receive some feedback with your comments and some constructive feedback. But what I'm going to do this time is to actually put it out there. I'd like to find out what you guys, and when I say guys I mean, you know, my male and female viewers, what you think. If this was your project, how would you tackle it? So I'm just going to share some criteria with you. So first of all then, whatever it is needs to clearly stabilise the ladder. 2. My main concern is sideways stability. 3. Does only one side or one end need to be stabilised, or does something needs to be attached to both? 4. The device needs to be removable for convenience and also for transportation. 5. It needs to be as light as possible, but this should not compromise the strength. 6. No welding involved. I don't have any welding gear. So basically guys, there we go then. So this is the project which I'm considering at the moment, but I'd like some ideas from the audience. So let me know what you guys would do if this is your project, and then once I've received your feedback, I'll knock something up and then I should do a video on it. Anyway, I do appreciate you tuning into the channel and I look forward to receiving your comments. Thanks very much. Bye bye.